Can you find me the letter T? T. Okay, pick it up and give it to Sissy. Tell her what is it? What's on the bottom of it? Turtle. Can you find me the letter O? O. Get the O. There's a surprise on the back of it. Pick it up. What's the surprise? What is it? Owl. Okay, find me the letter I. Okay, what's on that one? Show me what's on the I. There's a surprise. What is it? Can I have a bite? Thank you. Okay, can you find me the letter B? B. Look around for the B. Where's B? Good job. What's on the back? What is it? Balloons. Can you find me the letter M? M. Look for the M, Cambria. That's S. Where's the M? Yay! Pick it up. What's on the back? Monkey. Find me the letter C. C. Find the C. Find me the C. Yay! What's on the back of the C? What is it? Crayons. Find me the letter S. S. Pick it up. Show Sissy what's on the back. No, you touch it so she knows which one it is. S. Okay? What is it? What's on the back? Star. Good. Find me the letter A. A. What's on the back? What is it? Show me. What is it?
Apple.
Apple. And find me the letter Q.